from DK Tune, and today's video is on this Mercedes. So it's having a full custom catback, a DPF solution and a stage 2 map. So hopefully it's going to be a madness. Let's get it. As we can see behind us, guys, the Mercedes is now finished, so we're going to drop it down on the deck and see what it sounds like. As you can see and hear, guys, it sounds absolutely awesome with a really deep raspy growl now from the V6 diesel. So if you want something like this happening to your BMW or Mercedes, as they have the 6 cylinders, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.